Hello guys, it's Cody. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install macOS on Windows PC with VMware. First we're gonna just install VMware Workstation Pro 16, and you can use the older version. And here I'm using the 16. Well, let's just wait for the install to complete and enter the license code. Okay, finish. I'm gonna restart later. Okay, now let's just create a virtual machine here, typical, and install later. You see here there is no macOS option here. We're gonna install an macOS unlocker. You can get it from GitHub. It's an open source unlock 3.03. And if you're running VMware 15 or the older version, you can use the auto unlocker. Just get it done and run it, and wait for it to complete. And that's for the auto unlocker. If you like me, using the VMware 16, then you're gonna use the latest version 3.03 or newer version. You see, I'm running the latest 16 version, so I'm gonna first use the unlocker. I'm gonna first stop the VMware service because I have opened it once, so I'm gonna stop all the VMware service, and then I have download this unlocker and run it. Okay, you see, run it as administrators. Okay, let's wait for it to complete. It seems no updates available, so now I should be able to run VMware to install macOS. Let's just open VMware, and I can create a new virtual machine here. And as before, you see, I can select Apple macOS. Now I can browse to select a location to save the virtual machine file. I'm just create a new folder, macOS Big Sur. Now specify the virtual hard drive size, and now I can edit this virtual machine to add the ISO file. Select the macOS Big Sur ISO file so we can boot from it. I'll show a down link in the description. Now I can start this virtual machine to install macOS Big Sur.
A few moments later.
Now I just click to select the language, English, and now here let's just click disk utility, continue, and let me just select the virtual hard drive, this hard drive, and erase. Formats, name and format, select macOS extended journal, and click down and close it. Continue. Let me just install macOS Big Sur. Continue, and continue. Agree, and select this hard drive. Now I'll just wait for it to complete. Now I can just select the country. Continue. Not now. And just leave it as I'll solve the network issue later. Continue. Not now. Agree this terms and conditions. Agree. Now let's just create a computer account, full name and account name, password. Continue. Express setup. Continue. 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 Not now. Continue. Now I'm gonna reject the install ISO. I'm gonna install the VMware Tools for macOS. I'll show a link in the description for this macOS VMware Tools file. ISO and collect it, and now you can install VMware Tools. Just click on it to install this tool and continue install. Okay, enter your passcode, install software, running package scripts. Okay, let's open security preference and open anyway. Click to unlock, enter passcode, unlock. Okay, allow. Oh, I need a restart. Okay, restart again, try again. Restart it. Now I can just enter my passcode to get started. As you see, after installing VMware Tools, I can using macOS Big Sur in full window. You see, I got two monitors and one for Mac and one for Windows. That is a virtual machine, of course, you see here. Now, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you find it helpful. If you do, please subscribe. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. As always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.